Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to discuss some of the most frequently asked questions about trademark registration in India. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, freelancer, or someone planning to launch a brand, this video will give you clear answers to questions you may have in mind. So, make sure you watch till the end. Trademark Frequently Asked Questions Part 3. Question 21. Can we get multiple trademarks under one GST or business? Answer: yes, you can register multiple trademarks under one GST or business. There is no direct relationship between GST registration and trademark registration, meaning a single business can hold several trademarks. Each trademark can represent a different product, brand name, or logo under the same business entity. However, it is important to note that each trademark application must be filed separately, and you will need to pay a separate registration fee for each application. For instance, Patanjali Ayurveda Limited has over 140 trademarks in just one class, covering various products with different names and logos, all under the same business entity. This flexibility allows businesses to protect their diverse range of products and brands while operating under one GST or business registration. Question 22. If I have a company registered, is its name protected from use by anyone else? Answer: a registered company name provides protection against its use by another company or LLP in a similar business, as it ensures that no other company or LLP can use the same or a deceptively similar name for their business. However, this protection does not extend to trademark rights, meaning a third party can still register a trademark under the same name. On the other hand, if you obtain a trademark for your company name, it offers stronger protection. A registered trademark gives you exclusive rights to use that name under the specific class of goods or services for which the trademark is registered. As a result, no other company, LLP, or individual can use that name in the same class, ensuring broader protection. Therefore, trademark protection supersedes the protection afforded by company and corporation. In case of any infringement, an existing entity with a registered trademark can approach a commercial court to enforce its intellectual property rights and prevent unauthorized use. Question 23. Can we get logo, name, and tagline all registered under a single application? Answer: yes, it is possible to register your logo, name, and tagline under a single application, but it depends on how you structure the registration. Trademark registration typically includes two types of applications. 1. Wordmark. This type of registration is for brand names or taglines. If you only want to register your brand name or tagline, you would opt for a wordmark registration. 2. Device mark. If you want to register your brand name and logo together, you would opt for a device mark. This type covers both text and visual elements. The cost of the trademark registration for a device mark typically includes the logo registration as well. In short, if your name, logo, and tagline are used together as part of a brand identity, you can register them as a single device mark. However, if you want separate protection for each element, you may need to file additional applications. Question 24. Do we get trademark for lifetime? Answer: no. Trademarks are not valid for a lifetime. A trademark is initially valid for a period of 10 years from the date of registration. After this period, the trademark can be renewed by filing an application for renewal and paying the required fee. If the trademark is not renewed, it will be considered abandoned and can be used by anyone else. Even if the owner of the trademark passes away, the trademark can still be transferred to the legal heirs of the deceased. The ownership of the trademark can be transferred, allowing the heirs to maintain the trademark rights and continue its use. Question 25. Do we get worldwide protection after registering trademark in India? Answer: no. Trademark registrations are territorial in nature, meaning they are only valid within the country where they are registered. A trademark registered in India provides protection only within India. For protection in other countries, you will need to file separate trademark applications in each of those countries. However, there are international mechanisms, such as the Madrid Protocol, which allow businesses to apply for trademark protection in multiple countries with a single application. But the protection still depends on the laws of each individual country where the trademark is registered. For more detailed information, visit the official website of VMK Professionals, www.vmpros.com, and always review the latest amendments before execution, as laws keep changing frequently. Question 26. Do I require a DSC to file an application for trademark? Answer: yes. A digital signature certificate, DSC, is required to file a trademark application online in India. In addition to the DSC, the applicant must also create an account on the Trademark Registry portal. While it is advisable to consult a trademark attorney to assist you with the application process, especially if you are unfamiliar with the procedures, a DSC will still be needed for filing the application online. The attorney can help you navigate the registration process, meaning you won't need to worry about obtaining the DSC yourself. Though it's possible to file a physical application, it is much more cumbersome and time-consuming compared to the convenience of online filing. Question 27. What is meant by sent to Vienna codification during the trademark registration process? Answer: sent to Vienna codification refers to a step in the trademark registration process when the application involves a figurative element or logo. This status appears on the Trademark Registry website during the initial stages of the registration process. The Vienna codification is a classification system used to categorize and organize visual elements of trademarks, particularly logos and designs. When a trademark contains any figurative element or artwork, the Vienna codification assigns a specific code to that design to facilitate its identification and classification within the international system. This helps in the search and management of trademark applications that include visual components. In short, sent to Vienna codification indicates that the figurative or logo-based trademark is being classified according to the Vienna Agreement, which streamlines the process of trademark registration and searching. Question 28. Is trademark registration an online process? Answer: yes, trademark registration can be done online through the e-filing gateway available on the official Trademark Registry website. The online process is convenient and efficient, allowing applicants to submit their trademark applications, track the status, and make payments electronically. However, trademark applications can also be filed physically at the front office counter of the respective trademark office or sent by post. While physical filing is an option, it is generally considered more cumbersome and time-consuming compared to the online process. Question 29. How can I check my trademark registration status? Answer: to check the status of your trademark registration, follow these simple steps. 1. Access the IP India website. Visit the official IP India website at https://ipindiaservices.gov.in/eregister.aspx. 2. Select National IRDI number on the website. Choose National IRDI number for checking the trademark status. 3. Provide trademark application number. Enter your trademark application number in the provided field. 4. View trademark application information. Click on the application number, which will appear as a hyperlink to view the detailed trademark application information and its current status. By following these steps, you can easily track the progress of your trademark application and stay informed about its status. Question 30. How can we know whether a similar mark have already been registered in same type of goods in India? Answer: to check if a similar trademark has already been registered for the same type of goods, you can conduct a trademark search on the official Indian Trademark Registry website. Here's how to do it. 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official Intellectual Property India website at http://indiaservices.gov.in/tmrpublicsearch-main.aspx. Select the search type. Under the drop-down menu in the search type section, select Wordmark. 3. Choose search options. You will have 3 search options. O Start With displays all trademarks starting with the text you entered. O Contains displays trademarks that contain the text you entered. O Match With displays trademarks that exactly match the text you entered. 4. Enter the applicable class. Enter the appropriate class of goods or services for which you want to check the trademark. 5. Click on Search. After entering the details, click on Search, and a list of trademarks that are either registered or have applications pending for registration will be displayed. This search helps you determine if any similar trademarks have already been registered for the same type of goods, reducing the risk of conflicts or infringement. If you want to register your brand name, logo, or tagline and legally secure your identity. Don't wait. Get expert help with the entire trademark registration process. Contact VMK Professionals, your trusted legal and business partner, to ensure your brand is protected under the law. Visit www.vmkpros.com and get started today. And that's it for this video. We hope you learned something new today about trademark registration and how it works in India. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal and business content made simple. Until next time, stay smart, stay protected. Thank you.